Mars 1. It is the future of mankind. Mars and Earth are 249 million miles apart from each other. The trip is supposed to take 210 days. Mars orbits the Sun in 1.88 Earth years, or in 686 Earth days. One Mars day is one Earth day and 40 minutes. What is Mars mostly made of? Well, the dust of the surface of Mars is really fine. It can be compared to talcum powder. The crust is made up by mostly volcanic basalt rock. The soil consists of nutrients like sodium, potassium chloride, and magnesium. Will humans be able to grow crops on Mars? Mars actually does have the nutrients that plants need to grow. It all depends where the astronauts land. Fertilizers might have to be added to grow the plants properly. Shout out to my uncles in this picture. Although this human settlement is so close, it's taking some time to get this mission going. It'll start off with an unmanned mission launching off in 2020. After that, crews will launch to Mars in 2026, with several crews launching subsequently every 26 months after the first ones. Mars is believed to be mankind's giant leap. It is very expensive and risky for humans to return from Mars. Therefore, there is a permanent settlement. Once they leave, they have to stay. It would require building bigger rockets, and it would be much more complicated than just settling there. Mars One is already contacting aerospace companies to work on proper systems. These systems will require design, construction, and a lot of testing, but scientific breakthroughs will not be necessary to be able to send humans to Mars and to be able to sustain life. By the time humans get to Mars, there will already be a habitable environment for them, and this unmanned mission is set to be scheduled for 2024. The trip to Mars is expected to be 210 days long. The easy part, medically speaking, is supposed to be getting there. Currently in our orbit is our space station, with people staying up there for 6 months to mock the trip. This will help us see how the traveler's condition will be when they arrive to Mars. Some of the effects are expected are not too major, but not having gravity for that much time will cause the body to make some adaptations. Something that will occur to the travelers is muscle atrophy. Muscle atrophy is the decrease of muscle mass. This will occur due to the lack of movement that the astronauts will have on the way there. Us humans are used to resisting against gravity. Not having gravity pulling on the astronauts will cause something to them. For example, the hearts will shrink temporarily.